Hi, I'm Cassidy. With over 25 years teaching experience, I've helped thousands of students reconnect with their bodies. This 5-part series is designed to improve your hurdle step FMS movement so you can move with more balance, freedom, and core control. As always, listen to your body and modify as needed. Consistency is key. Aim to practice this routine 4 times a week. You can do a short workout or use this routine as a circuit. If you can't do all the movements, just focus on the ones that challenge you the most. Those are often your biggest areas of growth. Today is part 4, and we're focusing on stability, control, side bending, and spinal extension. Are you ready? Let's get started. We're going to start with a modified side plank lift with your knees bent. You're going to do it 6 times per side. You're going to lie on your side with your knees bent, elbow under your shoulder. Exhale to lift your hips slightly and reach your top arm overhead. Inhale to lower down with control. This is going to emphasize your obliques and your side body strength. When you're ready, switching sides. Moving with control, using your breath, engaging navel to spine on your exhale. Nice work. From there, you're going to go into the prone diagonal arm and leg reach. You're going to do 6 per side. You're face down, you reach one arm and opposite leg long, hovering off of the floor briefly. Inhale to prepare, exhale to lift and stretch diagonally. Avoid arching in your low back. Imagine your belly button never wants to touch the mat. Keep engaging navel to spine. Feeling your glute turn on, upper back and shoulders working. Working at a pace where you feel you are in control of the movement. Being aware of what you feel working. You want to feel your glutes, your abs, your upper back and shoulders. When you're done, you can go into a child's pose, stretching out your spine in the opposite direction, pressing your hips down toward your heels, breathing into the back and side of your ribs. And then come up to sitting. Nice work. You're going to finish with the seated side body stretch with rotation. You're going to do 3 per side. Sitting tall, reaching one arm up and over. From the deepest part of the side bend, spiral the torso slightly toward the floor and then back up. Nice, slow, and fluid. Keeping your sit bones really anchored on the mat. After your 3rd time, go ahead and switch. Remembering to breathe. This should feel like a nice stretch. So now let's switch feet so that the other leg is in front. Side bending and rotating 3 times each side. Hopefully you feel your range of motion increasing as you repeat the stretch. Switching sides. And then come up to sitting. Nicely done. That's it. You did it. Nicely done. You've connected strength with side bending and rotational control. Part 5 will bring it all together with fluid transitions and integrated movement. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.